Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in NSE Nifty index futures and options. If possible we will see a glance about the Bank Nifty futures also. So where is the market going to open now? So based on the Singapore Exchange price direction, this is the 10 minutes is a delayed price action what is happening in the Singapore Exchange in our Nifty index futures. So it shows that the price is trading somewhere around 10,766. So yesterday the market opened closed somewhere near 10,800 here, and after our market closing, the price went and created a high, and then it's a complete drop, now staying near the support of 10,760. So again now let's go and see our NSE index chart. So we got the price opening. So what happened yesterday? The price opened here, tried to move up, a drop near 10,760 and close near 10,800, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 10,760. So what is this 10,760? This 10,760 is the mid-range in the last week. You could see it's a mid-price. So it's not a very comfortable zone. Since the price continuously it's not moving up, initially you can expect some sort of selling. So maybe if you want to stay on the selling side, you can wait for the price. You can place stop loss, or you can see we had drawn trend channel here, downtrend channel, by connecting these two highs. So somewhere the price open here, you can place stop loss somewhere above 10,800, and you can go for selling, expecting the price to come and hit 10,720. But still we have certain doubt that always the price can take support somewhere near 10,700 and 10,720. So from this 700 and 720 zone, you can expect the market again to move up towards 10,760 and to test again. So this is the zone where you can target for buying. If you get this zone, you can somewhere near 10,700 you can go for buying, or 720. Again you can expect some sort of pullback, or if these zones looks like a riskier area, the best area is, if at all you get this price 10,660 for today, this is again a buying zone, which is a very key important level for Nifty index futures. So the options are: one, initially when the price is moving up right after the opening, if you see the market is pushing towards 10,780, then you can go for selling. Okay, by placing stop above 10,800, you can expect some drop towards 10,720. From 10,720 till 10,660, this will act as a buying zone, so you can go for buying. So since the price is consolidating in the last few days, last week completely in the last week, so you can expect two way of price actions. So how we are going to put this in the options contract? So if you see the options contract, uh, the coming upcoming expiry contract, July 16th contract, this 10,750 will be the most nearly it's at the money option, which closed around 124. So yesterday the price closed near 10,800, and today it's going to open here maybe some 40 to 50 points drop, so that you can get a you can expect this to open somewhere near 100 or somewhere. We cannot predict it exactly. So given the time decay, it can open somewhere near 100. So this is your target for if you are going for call option, or the best price will be 10,800, which is the out of money option. Little bit out of money. The price was the last closing was around somewhere around 95. Wait for this price to come near 65-60, and then go for buying by placing stop at 45, expecting the market to move up. So this is going to be the exact pick for today if you want to be the buyer in the call option. And you have equal opportunity in the selling also. If the price right after the opening, if it is moving up, then you see this 10,700 put option closed at 40. Since the price is going to open somewhere some 40-50 points down, uh, if you get you will get this somewhere around 60. You can buy this somewhere around 60. um, so your expectation from, like I said, from 10,760 it can drop towards 10,720, which is again the support. So in this swing you can get some profit. So 10,700 is the strike for buying a put option. 10,800 if you wait for the price to come near 60 and then buy, don't go and buy right away. So these are the two ways where you can go for trading in Nifty index futures and options. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Up trading, take care, bye.